Hello everyone, this is Moses, and here we are at SSPI from Nakival in Uganda country. I'm so glad that we are snatching this time to talk to you again. So today I'm just going to talk about something that we have been doing for quite a couple of time, and maybe before I dig deeper, let me give you a quick general overview of what is SSPI. SSPI, which is the Shaban Social Progress Initiative, is a refugee-led organization striving for building sustainability into our community through the education of young children, deprived children, but also through environmental work for providing a healthier environment to our community. So, 3 months ago, we started with the project of quilting, and this was really initiated by Kika's Quilt through Rian Dole. It is a project that we really appreciate here at SSPI. This is the second work that we have been. The first one was a taste of quilting. We did so many quilts, so many memory quilts. They're there. We posted some pictures, some videos. If you maybe escaped from seeing them, if you didn't have the chance of seeing them, still you can go onto our Instagram page, you will find them. You can go on our Facebook page, you will find them. You can also check on Kika's Quilt and find them. So this is what we call the lab quilts simpler to save the world. This is something beautiful for sure. And this is a work that young men, gentlemen, and beautiful ladies have been doing. So we started this. There is, I think, 1 month that we have been working on this. And let me give you 3 things just to summarize the work that we have done to have such an amazing thing today. So I'm going to talk first of all about the roadmap to the success. I will also talk about the different patterns and blocks that we designed to have this. But at the end, I will also touch about the feedback and feelings that I'm having individually about the work that we have been having. Coming back to the point of the roadmap of 4 points, we had first of all the introduction, which was the designing of the patterns, designing of the quilts, designing of the art that we are going to make. This was designing it through on papers, down on papers. After the designing, we could go to quilting the blocks, or blocks quilting. So actually, I will also talk about the different blocks that we are having here. And after that step, the third step was of sandwich quilting. And after that, the last step was of borders, quilting borders. This is all about giving the art, or giving the quilting the ring. Very nice. So that was the roadmap to the success of this beautiful art that you are seeing today. So jumping into the second point, which is of the different patterns and blocks that we use. Let's say that this lab quilt sampler to save the world is having a lot of, really a lot of blocks, a lot of patterns. It was not an easy work, but because people were so much committed, actually at the end of the day, you see we have got something great. So as you see, the art or the quilt is having a lot of patterns. We have the non-desire punch. They are here. These 3 ones are called non-desire punch, and we did this through a taste of quilting. And then we also have this second one, which is the log cabin, as you can see it. And we also have this one, which is the Roman squares. After the Roman square, we are also having the pinwheel. Pinwheel are here. And after that, we also have the flying geese. So these are the 5 different patterns that compose our quilt that compose a lap quilt sampler to save the world. And that's all. Maybe let me finish by telling you my feelings and my feedback about the work that we have done. My feelings are going just to start by a personal concern. Actually, when we have been going through this work or this art, I made a lot of blocks, a lot of patterns, but let me tell you that the one that touched me a lot, the one that inspired, gathering people, it's not really something easy. It needs time, it needs energy. And let me say that for having the young people learning, they need a lot of materials. They need a lot of things, books, pens, and tools and material to use when learning. The good system of learning is learning by doing. So actually, we have a lot of things that learners are still missing, but let's say big thanks to Riandole for what she has already achieved. For doing this, we really need connectivity, we really need internet, and she has already provided internet, the Wi-Fi thing, though we are still facing the problem of data, but it's good that we already have the Wi-Fi thing here for connectivity. So she also provides a kind of lunch to the learners. Whenever we are in workshops, we always feel hungry, we always feel like we need something just to put into the stomach. And every Saturday when we are doing our workshops, she always sends some kinds of lunch, a very simple lunch. It is not too much big, it is not really great, but at least she's doing it. At least she's a gorgeous woman. So I really congratulate her for all the work she has done. Personally, I think that she's a great woman according to what she has done. So my last word is of calling upon everyone who wants to join and support this stunning effort of creating sustainability. Let me remind everyone that the F problem somewhere is the F problem everywhere. So working on the works of finding solutions on climate crisis, climate problems is not individual work. It's not the work of someone or a single person. No, this should be global work, because the environment, that's all we are. That's all we are. We don't have another place where we shall shift it if this planet collapses today. So let's join. You can DM Quilt for supporting this project. Through Riandole or Quilt, you can really send us something you want to send for supporting this great work. You can also become a quilter, a sustainable quilter, and this can be given to you everywhere you are. You can be taught, you can learn how to reuse scraps and different textiles. So thank you so much.